up? Kilo Shele, waiting there for yes, you don't carry come again inside town. And we did live for inside the city of Lagos. Now if you look behind me, you go see all these water boats. You know, everything is happening on water. Because this one is the 6th edition of the Lagos Water Regatta for inside Lagos. Now today you go know say Niger people, we get the culture. We get the tradition. We know how to catch fun on top of water, and we know every way they showcase our traditional heritage as Nigerian and African people. So there go Sempe well, everybody don't turn up. If you look, you go see all the crowds them from my left, that side, everybody they catch the groove, you know, in the spirit of Easter still. All right, so we could not talk too much, we not be like say we lost. We go grab some small interviews, make we hear from people waiting their expectation be, and we go turn up.
Challenge. We just enjoy ourselves. We tell the people of Lagos, say make them come to the water to come enjoy waiting they fit get from the water.
More the show they all right. I sure they enjoy they enjoy the show.
Oh, but I think say BAMO, they try well, you know, the kind arrangements which they just do, people they dance for water, we just they see differences, they fine well.
My first time to come here with this, and I really enjoy it.
This Ilaje dance and how these masquerade clothes exchange and those kind of things, I really appreciate it. I love it so much. So wonderful. Like I feel like I should be among them, you know.
I don't know what's that thing called. When they were, is this skydiving or what do we call it now?
The jet ski part I like pass.
Jet ski, and that one I enjoy fast.
Now when one woman just they rise, they fall with one kind of thing which they hold for hand, in fact, be like say, be like Mami Water. I don't even know what the Mami Water resemble, but without gosh, it's fine. Well.
Now every year we go. They say make plenty people they come, make them come enjoy themselves, bring their children here, come play, make them come see all the things where they fit do for water, where the boat where they go beach, where they go take ferry go from Ikorodu to Aja, different things for water. They will come and see.
Now so the thing go on top Lagos Water Regatta 2015. Not forget that this one a yearly event. So next year we go join you unfailingly. Hopefully you don't enjoy all the performances on top water, the jet ski, the flying like Mami Water, you know. This is how Niger people live. Now so we take celebrate our Nigerian culture and tradition. This is Wazobia TV. Keep it locked down. Put your eye, not come out your eye because this is Wazobia TV. My name is Chika.